Okay, first thing we do is open up SOLIDWORKS, and here it is. The next thing we'll do is create a new file, and we want a new part. We'll say OK, let that open up. Alright, so now we have a new file. Now the next thing to do is check to see what dimensions we're using, or what units. So I go Options, that's this little box here, and then select Document Properties, and then go down to Units. And the part we're building is the binding anchor, which happens to be in millimeters. So make sure millimeters is selected. Say OK. Alright, now we can start drawing our part. So the first thing we're going to do is end up creating a circle. So I'm going to create a circle, and it says select the plane in which to create it. We're going to create it on the top plane. I'm going to come here to the center and draw my circle. Say OK, and now I'm going to dimension it. Now looking off my drawing, it is 82 millimeters. And there it is. Next I'm going to extrude it. And the drawing tells me that that area that's 82 millimeters is 3.5 millimeters thick. Alright, so there is my part. So far anyway. Okay, next we will extend the base down like our little binding anchor shows. I'm going to flip this to the bottom. There we go. And we'll create a circle. And it says select the plane, so the bottom. I'm going to go off the center. Say OK. Now I will dimension it. And looking at our drawing, our dimension needs to be 63 millimeters. OK. Now I can go to Features and extrude it. Now notice it's going down the way I want it to go. If it's going the wrong way, say up, I can click right here next to Direction to flip it. And looking at the drawing, we need it to be 3 millimeters. Say OK. Great. Now we have the bottom.